Your primary climate controls are located directly center of your dash, with individual temperature controls on driver's side and passenger side and everything else in between. Engaging the auto button allows the vehicle to fluctuate the fan speed to quickly get the cabin of the car to the set temperature. It will adjust the fan speed accordingly as it gets closer to the desired temperature. Off completely turns your climate control system off and stops AC controlled air. When adjusting the temperature control on the driver's side, the entire cabin should be adjusted as long as the dual mode is not engaged. The little fan will decrease your fan speed and the larger fan will increase your fan speed. When making these adjustments, a 1-inch drop down will appear from the top of your screen to display your settings. The next button allows you to change the direction of your airflow. As you continuously press this button, you will look for that same 1-inch drop down indicating where the air is flowing to. The first defrosting button defrosts the front windshield. The next defrosting button defrosts the side view mirrors and the rear window. The last button allows you to select where your air is being pulled from. You have the option to recirculate the air within the cabin, or you can choose to pull in air from the outside. Should you choose to leave this on auto, the vehicle will decide to pull from whichever is more economically friendly, and it will also switch to cycling in cabin air if it senses smog or pollutants outside the vehicle. Your vehicle is equipped with dual climate control, which allows you and your passenger to adjust their side to a separate temperature. Doing this turns on dual mode. Should you wish to turn dual mode off and leave all temperatures to be set by the driver's side, use your remote touch to select the climate option on the right-hand side of your screen. After your climate control menu slides out, click Dual to turn the green light off. The entire cabin is now controlled by the driver's side temperature control. Your vehicle is equipped with heated and ventilated seats for both the driver and the passenger side. Continually press the ventilated seat button to change through the levels of ventilation. The same works for the heated portion. Next to your heated and ventilated seat buttons, you have the heated steering wheel button with 2 levels of heat. This will heat up the leather portions of your steering wheel.